Let we discuss about introduction of power. Power of number, the example is 4 power 5. The number 4 is called base, and the number 5 is called power. So 4 power 5 is mean number 4 multiplied by itself 5 times. It's called power of number. Now we continue with square. For squares is when number multiplied by itself 2 times. Example, 7 times 7. We call it 7 squared. The result equals 49. Example again, 12 times 12. We call it 12 squared equals 144. Okay, for the cubes is when a number multiplied by itself 3 times. Example, it's 4 times 4 times 4. We call it 4 cubes equals 64. Other example, 5 times 5 times 5 equals 5 cubes. The result is 125. Is it squares and cubes? Now we talk about how to find square root with tricks. Only 3 seconds you can find the square roots very fast. The example is the square root of 529. Okay, how to find square root of 529? First, look the unit digit. What is the unit digit of this number? Yeah, it's 9. And then the second one, you have to remember the perfect square 1 until 10. The perfect square 1 until 10. Now look, in the perfect square, who have unit digit 9? Yeah, it's 3 and 7. So you write 3 or 7 here. Now you take 2 numbers from behind and you focus with 5. 5. Who has perfect square near 5? You cannot pick the more than 1. You have to pick near 5. Okay? So the perfect square near 5 is 4. It's 2 square. So the tens will be 2. Okay, we got the result for the tens. Is it 2? Okay, because is it the near 5? 2 squared near 5. After that, you have to multiply 2 with the number after 2. Okay, so you multiply with 3 because the number after 2 is 3 equals 6. And then you compare 5 with 6. 5 smaller than 6. So 5 is smaller than 6. And then we choose the smaller one with 3 and 7. Which one the smaller? The smaller is 3. So we get the unit digit. It's 3. So the square root of 529 is 23. And it's enough. Other example is the square root of 1369. Okay, it's still same unit digit. What the unit digit of this number is 9. Who has unit digit 9 in perfect square? Yeah, it's still 3 and 7. 3 or 7. And then you take 2 numbers from behind, 2 numbers, 9 and 6. And then you focus with 13. Who has perfect square near 13? So, near 13 is 9. So we pick the 3. We pick the 3 here, and then the result will be, the tens will be 3. Okay, so it's same. And then the next step is you multiply 3 with the number after 3. So the number after 3 is 4 equals 12. And then you compare 13 and 12. 13 is greater than 12. So you choose the unit digit, the greater one. 3 and 7, which one is greater? Yeah, it's 7. So the answer is 37. Continue with other example of square roots. We have to find the square root of 6,724. Okay. Now remember the step. What is the unit digit of this number? Yeah, it's 4. Who has unit digit 4 in perfect square? It's 4, it's 2 and 8. Okay, it's 2 and 8. Have unit digit 4. Okay, so we write here 2 or 8. And then the next step, take 2 numbers from behind, so you focus with 67. Who has perfect square near 67? Okay. It's 64. You cannot pick the 81 because it's more than 67. Now, so we have the tens is 8. We pick the 64, yeah? So you write the 8. Write 8 here, and 8 will be the result. Will be the tens of the result. And then next, what the next steps? The next steps is you multiply the 8 with the number after 8. What is the number after 8? Is it 9? And then 8 times 9 equals 72. And then you compare 67 with 72. 67 is, now you compare with the 67 first, yeah. We focus with the 67. 67 is smaller or greater than 72. Yeah, it's smaller, so you pick the smaller one. So it's 2 and enough. Okay, you got it? Now let you find the square roots by yourself. What is this? Try it with 3 seconds. Now let's continue with how to find cube roots with tricks only in 3 seconds. Example is the cube root of 1728. It's still the same way with the square roots before, but for the cube roots it's more easy than square roots because only one unit digit we can find it. Now we already know the perfect cubes 1 until 10. Now it's still same way with the square roots, but it's more easy. Look the unit digit. What is the unit digit of this number? Yeah, it's 8. Who has unit digit 8 in the perfect cubes? Yes, is it 2? So the unit digit of the result will be 2. And then you take 3 numbers from behind. For the last square root, you take 2 numbers. And then for the cube root, you take 3 numbers from behind. Okay, so you focus with 1. 1. Who has perfect cube near 1? Yeah, it's only 1. So the result will be 12. And it's enough. Okay, let me continue with other example of cube roots. Okay, the example is the cube root of 12,176. 167. Look, the unit digit of this number. Who has unit digit 7 in the perfect cubes? Yeah, it's 3. The unit digit is 7, so it's 3. So the unit digit of the result will be 3. And then you take 3 number from behind and then you focus with 12. Who has perfect cubes near 12? It's 8. You cannot pick 3 because 3 cubes is 27. It's more than 12. So you pick the 8. Okay, the 8 is the perfect cubes of 2. So the result will be 23. And it's enough too. Another example. Another example is the perfect cube of 166,375. It's very easy because the unit digit is 5. Of course, it's 5. Who has unit digit 5? It's 5. So you write 5, the unit digit. Take 3 number from behind and then you focus with 166. Who has perfect cube near 166? It's 5 too. Okay, because it's 5 cubes is 120, 5 is near than 166. So the result will be 55. You got it? And then you have to find the answer of this one. 59,319. Okay, find it in 3 seconds. Come on.